Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called 5 Easy Ways to Comfortably Live Through Your Remodel. We all know that embarking on a home remodel can be more chaotic than a toddler at a candy store. Between the dust, the noise, and the constant parade of workers, it's easy to feel like you're living in the middle of a hurricane. But before you throw up your hands and book an extended stay at Aunt Mabel's, let me share some nuggets of wisdom to help you glide through the chaos with grace. First off, embrace the art of organization. Before the first nail is hammered, pack away any non-essential items. Trust me, a clutter-free zone is your best friend. Create a dedicated space for essentials within easy reach. Think of it as your remodeling survival kit. Everything you need at your fingertips without the added stress of searching through debris. Next up, set up a temporary kitchen area. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Even the world's smallest corner can become your culinary hub with a little creativity. A mini fridge, microwave, and some shelf space can transform a cramped nook into a functional kitchen. Limit takeout and keep your routine going without feeling like you're camping indoors. Communication is key. Keep the line open with your contractor like you're chatting with a long-lost cousin. Regular updates and sharing timelines keeps everyone on the same page, reducing the likelihood of unexpected hiccups. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Facilitating clear communication ensures you're not blindsided by surprise changes. Plan your escape. When the noise gets too much and the dust starts playing tricks on your sanity, have a go-to place to retreat. Whether it's a peaceful cafe or a park bench under a shady tree, find your sanctuary to recharge and refresh. Sometimes stepping out of the chaos can provide clarity and, yes, a little peace of mind. Finally, keep focused on the end result. Visualize that dream space you're creating. The mess is temporary, but the joy of a newly transformed home? That's the lasting gift. Keep a picture of your final design handy. It's your beacon in the storm, reminding you that every speck of dust is another step closer to the finish line. So there you have it. With these 5 easy strategies, you can sail through your remodel with more calm and fewer curse words. Remember, it's not just about enduring the process, but thriving through it. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.